says the triangle ABC is isosceles, with base AC having a length of 12 radical 3. The numeric area of triangle ABC is 36 square root of 3, so we want to determine the degree measure of angle ABC. So if we draw our triangle, A and C make up our base, whereas B is our vertex, and they tell us that the base is 12 square root of 3. Now the issue is we don't know what the height is. But what do we know? We know the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 the base, which we know, 12 square root of 3 times the height. We know that that equals 36 radical 3. Now we simplify this a little bit. 6 square root of 3h equals 36 square root of 3. So to solve for h, we divide both sides by 6 radical 3. And so we get h equal to 6. So now we know that our height of this triangle is 6. Now we also know that the height in an isosceles triangle breaks up the base into 2 equal pieces. Now at this point, how do we figure out the angle of ABC? Well, remember, the height meets the base perpendicularly, and so it forms 2 right triangles. And if you look, we have this side, we have this side, and so these two form a similar pattern. Now, if you're not sure about it, well, you could use Pythagorean theorem and get that this is going to be a length of 12. And so, what is this angle? And what is this angle? Well, this is a 60-degree angle, and this is a 30-degree angle, because this is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So the question is, what is angle ABC? Well, we know that this half is 60. Well, these two are congruent right triangles. So that means angle ABC, at least the measure of angle ABC, is going to equal 120 degrees. And there's our answer, and we're done.